Find 40% of 36. Whenever you see this percentage plus the word of, it means a multiplication. So if we're asked to find 40% of 36, we can translate that to the statement 40% as the decimal number, 0.40, times 36. Now let's go through some arithmetic here. Counting the number of decimal places, we have really 1, because we can drop off that 0. But we'll just go ahead and go with 2 just for sake of argument. So we have 2 decimal places here. Alright, let's go through the arithmetic. We have 40 times 36. So let's see, 40 times 0, 24, bringing down a 0. 0 times 3 is 0. And 4 times 3 is 12. And adding gives us 1440. Now, remembering that there needs to be 2 decimal places in the product, so coming in from the right, 2 decimal places, then 40% of 36 is 14.4. 80% of people who attend a concert are women. If 400 people attend the concert, how many women are in the audience? Well, we know that it's 80% of the people that attend the concert. So we need to find 80% of 400. Translating that to an algebraic statement would be 0.8 times 400. I could have written 0.80, and I'm just going to go with 0.8. Notice we have 1 decimal place in the factors. So I'm just going to say, well, what's 400 times 8? See, we have 0, 0, 32. But we need to come in 1 decimal place. So that would give us then 320. So our conclusion, there were 320 women in the audience. Jarrell bought a software program for $120. Find the tax Jarrell paid if the sales tax rate in his area is 8.5%. So the tax is a percentage of the amount paid. So tax is percentage of the amount. So we need the tax is, we can think equals here, the percentage, so 0.085 of times 120. Notice we have, 1, 2, 3 decimal places. So now we go through the arithmetic here, 120 times 0.085. So I'm just going to multiply by 85, and we'll have to remember the decimal places in the end. 0, 0, carrying a 1 here, 6. Drop down a 0. 0, 16, carrying a 1. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 1 is 9. And now adding. 0, 0, 2, carrying a 1. Alright, so we have 1, 0, 2, 0, 0. But we need to remember that we had, 1, 2, 3 decimal places in the factors. So coming in from the right, 1, 2, 3 decimal places. We get 10.2. So our conclusion would be that Jarrell paid $10.20 in tax.